car's dead. That's dead. I'm not gonna use that anymore. It's about to explode. Just for fun. Let's see what it looks like. There we go. Okay, here we go. With the crash test dummy skin. I like it a lot, actually. I don't know how I feel about the pickaxes that I chose, but here we go. I think I have to go lazy because I'm pretty sure lazy has a lot of cars. Can I see any cars when I'm coming down? There's a car right there. I'll have to take that car. If that car is drivable. I don't know if every car, like, I'm pretty sure, but I don't know. And like, whoa, dude, someone's shooting me already? I'm not ready yet, dude. I'm trying to find some cars. Ooh, yes, this is what I needed. Do we just like hop in? Ooh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there's someone coming here already. Whoa. Look at all these cars. Can I boost? Oh, wait. Here we go. Whoa, oh. Whoa. So these cars have fuel. I can see the fuel on the bottom right. Oh my gosh. This is like really hard to control right now. Look at this person. They have like a different car. Oh, they just flipped. Oh my gosh. Is this car broken? Oh, here we go. Oh my gosh. That last car I had was like a sports car. This one can't boost, but it can power slide. Oh! I'm stuck. Oh no, it's dead. Oh. There's so many people trying to get in that car. Oh my! No! Oh my! What the? No! No! Oh, wow. That was a pretty good game for the first time seeing the cars. That sports car was like really fast and like hard to control. Everybody's just hopping in a car and just going crazy with the cars. Wow. Let's try this again. Let's go again. Should I just land on a car? I know a lot of people are just going to land at the gas station for a car. So I'm going to be very contested if I go over there. Yeah, I already see someone right there. Get the loot. Steal the person's car. That's our plan. Alright. Can you throw him? There's a car outside my door. Here we go! Decoys, hop in! I have my own decoy! Oh, there's someone right there! Oh, someone got in there. Someone got in the truck. Let's go! Oh no, I'm gonna die first. Oh, they're chasing after me. Oh, we're in a chase! Oh, we missed. I'm gonna hop out really quick and get in that green car. Come on, get in! Oh, now you gotta mess. You can't mess with me now. Come here, dude. Come here. take your truck. No fuel. Well, luckily we got ourselves a gas can that we can just spray our little gas on. Anybody else here? Oh. Optimus Prime! Oh wait, I'm about to steal this person's kill. Here we go. BAM! Oh, are you hitting me? You're hitting me for a lot, huh? Did I miss? I missed. No. No way. I ain't dying like that. Uh-oh. Got you. I'm getting out of here. I need a better car. This car's dead. That's dead. I'm not gonna use that anymore. It's about to explode. Just for fun. Let's see what it looks like. There we go. This is so cool. Oh, I see someone. Oh! There's another person here. Whoa. Where is that sound? This person just had a P90. Like, what? Where did you get this from, dude? Oh! Where is that? Where is that? Huh? I see you. I see you. Don't pretend like I don't. I'm coming after you, dude. I'm coming after you. I'm gonna cut you off, dude. Oh! Let's get out, dude. Woo! Oh, no! Dude, no, please, 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 please. How about this? How about this? No! You know what? You know what? How about this? How about this? We do another game. Yeah. Where are the cars? There it is. Whoa, yeah, and that's a sports car right there. It's called a Whiplash, apparently. Yay, I'm actually, looting a chest this game. Woo! Whoa, that's really good, actually. Oh my, did someone steal my car? Uh-oh, this ain't right. That ain't right. Guy had a good gun. I'm set. Oh! Whoa! What are you doing here? This guy was refueling his car. For me. Oh, you messed up. Oh, never mind. You got in. Oh, you messed up! Oh, wow. See how it is? Except I'm in here with you. Nope, no! Oh! Oh my gosh, I literally almost choked that, dude. Wow. Dude. Oh my gosh, I almost just died because of that. I saw you. Oh, I saw. Hey, like that, burst. I can't talk. Burst versus burst. Nope. Uh-oh. Oh! Woo! Oh! That person's raging in their home right now. Oh! You know what we're gonna do, right? We gotta go over Gorgeous Gorge. I gotta stop boosting. You know, I gotta boost one more time. One more time! Oh, without a scratch on us, we made it down the steep hill of steepiness. What the? Who died here? What the? Uh-oh, uh-oh! That car's about to explode. It's dead. Did he even take any damage? What the? What the? What? Whoa! Alright. I see how it is. Alright. Someone here. Let's go, baby! He's going the other way. I know you are. That's right, baby! Oh, I missed! That was a good plan, too. Oh, he's gonna refuel. Oh, never mind. Boom! He flipped me. No. Okay, yeah, I'm good. I quit. I just got an invite. Hi, Sophia. I just got an invite from you. BAM! Oh! Sophia, I'm filming a video. Oh, did he just... Oh! No! Come here, baby. Oh, you don't got no fuel, huh? Oh, you're dead!
Bruh.
Oh! Woo! Dude, using a med kit? What? Oh! I gotta go. No. I gotta go! You got fuel? Oh, low fuel. We gotta go anyways, you know? I'm out of fuel. No fuel. Go. Move. You sure you want to fight, dude? You sure you want to fight? Oh, I'm dead. Okay, post up. No. Post up. He knows I'm healing, but he has to move. Oh, his aim. Okay, that's what he gets. Are you coming? My aim sucks. Got him! Okay, I gotta hurry up, get his loot. I need the ammo. I'm at 2 bullets on my burst. Uh-oh. Nope. Nope. Woo! Oh my. Ah! It's a 1v1. Where's the last guy? Oh. Where's the last guy? Come on, man. Don't be a scaredy cat. I don't want to lose this, so let's just end it. Let's end it. I dare you. I dare you. I see him. Oh my gosh. Daddy, this is hectic. This is hectic. Yes? Dude, get out of my way, sign. Should I come over there? He has to move. I have to move. I have to move. No! 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 This is the closest I've ever gotten in one of my videos. No! I did so good. Well, I mean, I can't complain. I did pretty good. All right, guys. The cars were really cool because, like, there were, like, so many cars. The truck, the kind of, like, medium-sized car, the taxi, the race car, and they all, like, had different, like, speeds and health. So that was really cool. And I did really good this time. Hopefully I can do, like, even better next time. Hopefully get a win in my next Fortnite video. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell icon if you want to know when my next video is uploaded. Doughboy out.